everybody, Dale Tatum here at Beyond the Line Racing, and I'm doing another video update of my 1994 Yamaha RT100. The last video I did, I was talking about updating the bike with a body kit and how I was going to do it, and I knew I needed to do some modifications on the bike to make it work. So let me show you what I did. So this is a 1996 through 2001 Yamaha body kit that I bought, and I could not find 94 Yamaha body kits anywhere. I mean, there was some on eBay, but a lot of people wanted a lot of money for them, and it's, you know, they were like broken pieces, so it wasn't even worth buying. So I bought this kit for $100, and I knew I needed to modify some stuff and, you know, trim some things down, you know, drill some holes, whatever. But yeah, let me show you what I did. So for the number plate, they already had the mounting holes, you know, on the bike, so I used those. That lined everything up well. This tab was on the bike already, so I just bent these down a little bit, drilled the hole, and then put the bolt in there and just tighten that down. And then right here, had to drill a hole. There's some mounts back there, you know, I still need to tighten that down. And just use that, put a bolt through there, and boom, that worked. And then you know, did the same thing on this side for this number plate. This side didn't have a tab, so I just used that hole that was already there, put a bolt in there, and then you know, folded those down and drilled the hole, and then got that to work. So that all worked out great. And then for the front fender, the front holes lined up on the front fender really well. Had to drill some holes for the back, and no big deal. Got it on there, and you know, that worked out really well. Number plate, I had to build a little bracket inside there. You can barely see it, you know, but it's held down there. You know, it's tight, and you know, it looks great. And then these were on the bike when I bought the bike. Took them off, sanded them down, painted them, wet sanded them, painted them, wet sanded them. Did that a few times, and I got it really smooth, and yeah, they look great. And then the big project was this rear fender right here. So the rear fender stuck out like a mile long. It was like all the way out here, like when I originally bought it. And then I think originally the fender actually went under the bar. It went down in there, but the fender was just so huge that, you know, I had to cut it in half. And then it already had the holes right there, so I just drilled some holes, cut the fender in half, lined everything up, put some bolts in there, and you know, it's on there tight now. What I might do, maybe, I'm kind of thinking about it, is there's a hole there. You know, might put a bolt in there, I don't know, just kind of depends. But yeah, I think originally, fenders went down in here back in '94. You know, we put it up on top. Looks badass. It makes it look like a modern bike. And yeah, it came out really awesome. You know, I'm super happy with this project. You know, there's some things I still need to kind of do to the bike, you know, button it up a little bit. You know, I still got some bolts I need to put in to the gas tank and all that, you know, and tighten some stuff down. But yeah, I can't wait to throw on some decals, throw on my numbers, and ride this bike, man. You know, it came out sick. And this is the definition of, you know, if somebody says, hey, you know, you can't do anything, you know, just do it. You know, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of customizing and some fab work that you need to do to make something work. You know, there's always doubters out there that are just like, oh, it's not gonna work, it's not gonna work. You know, I got a modern, you know, body kit on an old bike, and look how sick that looks. So yeah, this is Dale Tatum of Beyond the Line Racing, and catch you guys later.